what is a layer, how we can play with the layers in the Photoshop, how we can merge the multiple layers. Okay, I'm going to explain very quick tutorial today. Okay, just follow my instruction. Okay, what is a layer first of all? Okay, layer is nothing. Okay, so when you are creating certain images, when you're creating certain image, when you're modify something, so you will do so many activity. Okay, so whatever the activity you are going to do, so you are not going to do in same image. Okay, so you guys going to create certain separate part. Okay, see, I'm showing one example here, just small tutorial I'm going to explain. See, this is a one image I taken here. Okay, see, you can see here. So already I created two layers. Okay, this is a one complete new image. So in the image I'm going to design something with certain layers. Okay, see, I'm going to enable this. See, I enable this. So now I'm just dragging it. So see, in this example you can see this is a background. Correct, in this background there's a two layer I'm added here. Okay, I'm going to invisible this, you can see here. So always layer mean it's a transparent image. In the transparent image you will going to place certain object. Okay, see, in this layer there is a certain objects will be there, that is flowers here. Okay, you can see this is a one layer, this is a second layer. I'm going to disable this, disable this, you can see it's gone. So now take example, I'm going to show from this layer. Okay, this is a one new layer I created here. Okay, in this layer there is a flower already, it's available. Okay, so take example, now you need to create new layer. How are you going to do? So in this layer option, okay, just you can see one option will be there. Okay, just click here. So when you are clicking here, there is a one plain transparent image opened here. This transparent image appeared in this image only. Okay, so if you are doing any activity, something you are cropping something, when you are draw something, when you are placing when you are placing certain color, everything appear in this transparent image only. Okay, it's okay, whatever you're doing the activity, it's never impact with original image in other image, other layer as well. Okay, I'll try to show certain example here. Okay, see, this is a transparent layer. I'm just going to do some, I'm going to place certain color in this layer. So take brush. Okay, just I'm selected this brush. Okay, I'm going to select certain color. How you going to select, how you going to select the color mean? This is a color box, just click here. I'm going to select, I'm going to pick one color. See, I'm going to pick this color, pink. Okay, see, this is a, see. So now something I placed in the layer. Okay, I placed a certain color. See, okay, see, this color now we placed in front of the background image only. Okay, see, I'm going to disable. See now, so now there is no relationship between original image and corresponding this layer. Okay, so now I'm going to move this layer. Okay, we can able to move as well. Okay, I'm going to move this one. See how we going to move? Just click and drag up. Okay, if you want to bring up, just drag, sorry, drag up, drag down. So we have shortcut key as well. Okay, see, control close bracket, it's going up. Control open bracket is coming down. See, when you're working image editing, so when you're designing some complex banner, okay, that in that time maybe you are playing with some 100 layers will be there. Okay, if you want to bring one layer something bottom, when you're bringing, when you're bringing one layer to bring it to top. So in this case you can use this kind of shortcut or drag and drop. Okay, we can able to use. Okay, now see example, I'm bringing down. See, I'm bringing down this one. See, this layer, it's completely went back to original image. That's the reason we are not able to visible here. Okay, just I'm bringing up here. Okay, I'm just removing this. I think now you got it, what is the layer in the Photoshop. Okay, um, I'm deleted this one. Okay, so now take example. So now as I told, we have two layers will be there. Okay, okay, now I'm going to show how we can duplicate that layer. Okay, we have two options will be there. Okay, as per my knowledge we have two options. Okay, if you are feeling we have different option, means just Just provide your comments in that comment section. Okay, right click. Okay, duplicate layer. See, when you make duplicate, you can see that layer name, it's a default name. See, this is a original layer name. We are doing copy, it's a copy to. Okay, clicking. Okay, so now we created same duplicate layer. This is a one way. Okay, I'm going to undo. So now another way, just select the layer. If you want to duplicate this layer, mean just click this layer, just bring down and just place in front of the new layer icon. Just I'm placing it. So I'm removing my hand from the mouse. See, we created another layer. You got it? So now I'm just click move to. So now we can see we created one more layer, same copy. Just I'm going to delete this. How are we going to delete? Just click here. The layer will be deleted. Now you got it. So now this is a one more layer in the corner I placed. Okay, just how are you going to move the layer? I mean, just select the layer. Okay, so already here. So I will tell one more shortcut. How are you going to select the layer based on your mouse point? Okay, for example, we are in the flower. Okay, just right click. Right click mean you need to press Alt key, then right click. See, when you click Alt key, you can see the mouse point will be changed. Okay, just I'm right click. Now this layer is select. I will show example another. See, we are in this flow in this layer. Okay, but now the layer is selected another layer. Okay, now we need to select this layer. See example. Now we are here. Just right click.